Not in the miles our feet have tread, nor fleeting dreams that fill our head, not in the wealth that's gained with haste, nor in the moments that we chase, but in the love we give and share, in the quiet acts that show we care, in justice steady, kind and true, in wisdom's light that sees us through. For time will pass, the years will fly, but hearts that love will never die. The riches fade, the goals we've set, but love it stays, our truest bet. So set your heart where kindness grows, and find the peace that love bestows.